y'all, I got a pineapple guava tree. And welcome back to the channel, Gardening at Home. I just got this enormous package delivered from Ison's Nursery. I'm gonna unbox it here because it's heavy and it's long, and I'm not sure how the plants are packaged in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and get them all unboxed, and then I'll meet you out on the terrace, and we'll have a look at what's in the box. All right, friends, so I got everything unboxed. I have to say, it was very impressive to see how they ship these bare root plants. It's the first time that I've had these trees, you know, these big trees shipped like that. And so I am gonna move quickly because I have to get these into soil. Some of these I'm gonna put into just large pots, but some of them I think I'm gonna go ahead and just put into the ground because I think I know where I want them to go. But let me just go down the line. I did find the apricots, the single apricots that I wanted. And so I got the, I think this is called, let me look at my list because I can't read that. Yeah, this is the Blenheim apricot. And then this is the Tilton apricot. And I do have that fruit cocktail tree that has a branch of both of these on it. So with any luck, we will finally be able to get some apricots growing here in the garden. I ordered 2 persimmon, 2 different varieties. And then it looks like here I got an extra one. And I was a little confused, but it looks like one of the trees that I ordered, they must have been out of, and so I think this is the substitution, which is fine. I'm happy to have an extra persimmon. Then this here, I mean, this was on sale for 30 bucks, y'all. This is a plum mix tree, a combo plum tree. So this one has the Shiru plum, the Santa Rosa, the elephant heart, and what's this 4th one here? The Satsuma. And I had been looking for the Satsuma by itself and couldn't find it. And so I was excited to find it on this combo tree. All these varieties are supposed to be hardy, by the way, what I got down to zone 5. I'm technically 4B, but my garden has different temperature zones, which I do track. And so this will go into a warmer climate zone. And I think what I'm going to do this year with all these new trees is protect them, like heavily mulch them maybe over the winter. We'll see. But it's already leafing out, which is cool. This one here is the 20th century pear. So I got some dwarf quince trees. I got the pineapple quince, and I got the dwarf rich quince trees. And yeah, I think these are gonna be 2 anchor trees that I keep in pots the first year in my heated greenhouse. That's my plan right now for that. The persimmon might also go in there the first year. We'll see what I decide with that. Then I picked up 2 currant bushes. They were 13 bucks each. And then I also got a discount at the end on all of this because I used Salty Dog's code. But this is white imperial currant, and this is the red lake currant. And I mean, look at the root structure on this thing. And again, they are starting to leaf out. This is a real treat. This is definitely going to be in the heated greenhouse and possibly brought indoors. And I'm going to do some research on how to do cuttings to see if I can propagate this. This is a pineapple guava tree. Next up, I got another Orient pear. I already have one of these on the property. which has leafed out beautifully, but I have never gotten, and it's bloomed, but I haven't gotten fruit. This is, what is this? Candy what? Oh yeah, these are the 2 pecan trees. These are way bigger than I thought. I mean, this is amazing. For 30 bucks. I got the candy pecan and the chachwa pecan. And I have to look back at these. I might also have to keep these dwarfed and in the greenhouse for a first year. Or again, put it up against the fence line in an area where it gets full sun all year and see what happens. And then the final, and again, I think I'm gonna, as these grow out, I think I'm gonna look at my tree book to see how I can do cuttings on this to see if I can like produce backups. That's what I'm gonna try to do with my trees as I get them, so that if I do have a failure, I can at least hopefully already have my own backup growing. And then this last tree, this is a suckle pear tree. And so I am very impressed. I mean, look at the root structure on the pecan tree. This is amazing. I'm very impressed with, you know, these are coming all the way from Georgia to Minnesota, and nothing was disturbed. Everything was moist. Yeah. So I'm gonna get these into some soil, and hopefully you'll see these throughout the season planted somewhere and growing. All right, friends, thanks for watching. I'll see you again here soon. Bye.